everybody. I want to thank everyone who subscribed and found the SQL knowledge that they were looking for so far. 500 subscribers in this market is something special. So me personally, I have a ton of hobbies like music production, gaming, and last but not least, screen printing. So as a thank you, I would like to make and give away 6 shirts like this one that you see here. I call this design Soul. It's the man. So our solar system with the database as the sun. I do not have some third-party company making this. In fact, the screen that I am using so I design and make these screens and print them out myself. So I want to do 2 separate giveaways, one for YouTube and one for Twitter. So all you have to do is make sure that you've subscribed, like this video, and leave a comment, whatever, something that you enjoyed, or just say, hey, I'm entering the contest. And the other way is in the description, I will have a link to the tweet. Just follow me at abstractsql and retweet that tweet, and that will be the second way to enter. So once again, these are 2 different giveaways running at the same time, so I can isolate YouTube and Twitter submissions. So there are also terms and conditions in the description and ones that will be attached to the tweet, like the giveaway will end on January 5th, 2020, 8 o'clock Pacific time. If your state or country prevents you from participating in giveaways based on age or whatever it is, it's your responsibility to adhere to those rules. I do not have the time to figure all of those countries' rules out. I'll be using an online tool to randomly select 10 users from YouTube comments and 10 users from the retweets, so it's fair and neutral. From those randomly selected 10, I'll grab the top 3. I'll reach out to you for your size and address to ship it to you. If you don't respond within 1 week, 6 days actually, I will just move down the list until I have 3 from YouTube and 3 from Twitter. I will have to make these shirts and then ship them out, but I will take care of shipping, and I want to make sure that I do this international. So it is very pricey to ship things international, so I'm going to be using USPS, which doesn't make it that bad. So you have to make sure that USPS can ship to you. If they can't, and you still enter and you do win, I will have to pass over you and move to the next one in the list. I do apologize, but USPS does deliver to a lot of areas, and I'm pretty sure if you're in a popular or populous area, then they will deliver to you. So yeah, thank you so much for all the feedback from messages in Reddit, messages in YouTube, the questions. I've been really busy because of this, on top of building a React app that complements my master data management model that I created. And I have a couple of newer videos for teaching the code themselves. It seems that's what's most popular on my channel, about taking your knowledge from Excel and moving it over to SQL. And then I'm going to be kind of redoing that 70761 series, breaking things up, because I have listened to everyone who sent me feedback on that. And I want to make sure that I can provide you a tool or some sort of videos at no cost that will actually help you get and progress in your career. So thank you once again. It does mean a lot to me, and expect more videos to come soon. My vacation is over. Have a good one, and I will see you next time.